Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Today we're going to kick the video off from Bikeshed in Old Street. Now if you don't know what Bikeshed is, it is essentially a restaurant where you can put your bike securely at the back, but you essentially ride your bike through the restaurant to get in and to exit. So visit there if you haven't done so already.
Great meal at Bikeshed. Let's get ready to go?
Yeah.
Where we going? Is it Bar Italia we're going? Bar Italia?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, want it. Yep.
I think it would be safe.
Yeah. I'm good. Right. We'll take it easy. We'll just take it easy. How's the bike, bro? It's nice, isn't it?
Huh?
The M1 is nice, isn't it? Sick bike, bro. See, you guys are taking too long. Now you're taking all the gear off. Jeez. Bro, we'll chat, bro. I'll message you.
Huh?
I'll message you, innit? We'll talk, bro.
I'm ready to have it as soon as.
Yeah, I'll get it sent as soon as. Literally, when I get back in tonight, I'll sort it out. Yeah, we'll get it sent as soon as, bro. Woo, thank goodness you got that, though.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Damn. Yeah, that is smart, innit? Yeah, bro, you know, I flattened my battery the other day. I got stuck for 2 hours. In Greenwich. I left my lights on.
Where were you?
I was in Greenwich, O2 Arena.
Why did you call me?
Yeah, bro, I should have, you know.
I don't care.
Next time, if it ever happens, I'm calling you. Oh, man. Take it easy, bro. Yeah, I'll see you again soon, man. Take it easy, bro. So we done a bike share. Now we're heading. Well, there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us, and we're all going to Bar Italia.
So we are currently all at Bikeshed Moto on Old Street, which means we need to head from there all the way to Thrift Street to Bar Italia. Now, according to Google Maps, the journey will take 23 minutes, but we're on bikes, so that will be cut in half. And it's raining, so we're going to take it easy and take it slow.
That was a good meal, great people, and now, well, let's see what Bar Italia is saying. God knows. Right. Oh my gosh. London is busy as hell. Look at all this. Damn, it's busy as hell. Is hurting. Oh, this clutch. Turn driving. Oh, or riding, sorry, not the one. My left hand. Wow, it's like a workout. And that's my broken hand. Gosh. Full on workout. Bar Italia had traffic heads right there. It's definitely not doing that. To give me hassle for no reason. No, thank you. Oh, my man's giving out the tickets, boy. Wow. Okay. What the?
Yeah, hello. Yeah, enough for that for my people. Tuck it in, innit? I'm gonna spin it. Yeah, spin it.
Hey, good thing you was putting the stamp at that.
I know!
You made it exactly look like this.
Oh yeah? Bro, I saw traffic and I'm like, you know, they're not bothered.
Bro, my luck with police is not the best, is it? I don't want to risk it.
No, I didn't.
Bro!
Damn it, I thought I was recording. Just got asked to rev it up. And I wasn't filming, but we're leaving now. Central London.